Hello friends, welcome to Mockito Framework series. My name is Sourabh Shrivastava, and in this video we are understanding mocking a constructor of a class. Yes, now it is possible to mock a constructor with the help of Mockito Framework. So the configuration for mocking a constructor is same as we discussed in earlier videos. First is to add mockmaker text file in test resources and to second to add a mockmaker dependency. Let us see some code example for better understanding how to mock a constructor in Mockito. The big question for this topic, mocking a constructor, is where I might need mocking of a constructor, right? Sometimes developer may write some constructor with predefined values. For example, we have booking payment processor class. We can see it has many overloaded constructor and a public method get final payment. So in this scenario, we can see in our checkout service, there's no option available to inject booking payment processor class. No construction injection is available and no setter injection is available. In this class, the default constructor of booking payment processor is used directly and its method get final payment is returning the response. Now let's see the test case for this method. So this is our checkout service test. So it has some test cases. We can see for mocking a constructor. Here I am testing first method, that is checkout movie ticket. So in this we can see that I have a try with resources, and it is using Mockito mock construction method, and it is taking booking payment processor dot class as input, and then it is returning me a mock construction object with generic type booking payment processor. Now here at line number 25 you can see I am calling my checkout service class, and I am calling its method checkout movie ticket with some movie name and user ID. And now I want to mock the method this payment final, but it is using some values, and I need to mock this booking payment processor also. I cannot mock this payment processor object here, so I need to mock it through this constructor. Now let's see first example that let's in this inside this try with resources, I'll create an object of booking payment processor, and I tell Mockito that whenever this method get final payment of payment processor is called, return a big decimal 10, so that my checkout movie ticket method also return me this same value. Now let's debug this. Now let's see what happens if I go. I can see the final price is null here. So I can see this booking payment processor is mocked, but inside the tribe with resources, but it is not getting injected inside checkout service because there's no way we can inject it. So how we can mock inside this class? So the way for mocking inside the class is I'm commenting this line, and I'm uncommenting this line. So in mock construction method, I have this anonymous class in which I have two inputs, mock and context. It in this mock, when I tell this mock that whenever get final payment is called, return big 10, Then I'll see that how it is behaving in this service. Is it getting injected or not? Let's see now. Now let's see what is the value of final price. It is big decimal 10. So we can see now I can inject inside my checkout service method this constructor and its stub is constructor, and I can stub get final payment method also. So this is the way we can mock a constructor and change its response as per our requirement. Now let's see some other examples also for mock construction. I can create a number of objects. For example, in this example, I have created one mock object for my booking payment processor, and I can list out how many constructor has been mocked. In this case, it is mocked one. In this case, I have two constructors. Now, let's see another method of mocking mock constructor with answer. So in this, whenever this invocation of booking payment processor method is called, first time invocation, it will always return this 500 value. And after that, how many invocations are there? This mock construction with answer will responsible that whenever second time, third time, or fourth time, the invocation of booking payment processor in construction is called, it will always return 42 value. So here I have created first object, second object, and third object. The first time it for payment processor 1, for instance 1, it is returning me 500 value, and for second and third instance it is always returning me 42 value. So let's test this. Test is green. So these are examples of mocking a constructor in Mockito framework. Thank you.